Hey there, folks. Welcome back to Smarthome. Today, we're tackling a common issue faced by Spectrum users, the dreaded Spectrum remote not working problem. If you're frustrated with your remote's lack of responsiveness, stick around because we've got some troubleshooting tips to get you back to binge watching in no time. Now, before you panic and start searching for a replacement remote, let's go through some quick fixes that might just save the day. Step 1. Check the batteries. It may sound obvious, but the first thing you should always do is check the batteries. Weak or dead batteries can cause your remote to stop working properly. Simply replace them with fresh ones and see if that does the trick. Step 2. Power cycle your devices. Sometimes, a simple power cycle can work wonders. Start by unplugging your Spectrum receiver and any other connected devices. Wait a few minutes, then plug them back in and power them on. This can help reset any glitches causing your remote to malfunction. Step 3. Repair your remote. If your remote is still acting up, it might have become unpaired from your Spectrum receiver. To repair it, press and hold the setup button on your remote until the LED light blinks twice. Then, enter the code displayed on your TV screen. This should reestablish the connection between your remote and receiver. Step 4. Reset your remote. If all else fails, you can try resetting your remote to its factory settings. To do this, press and hold the A and B buttons simultaneously for about 5 seconds until the LED light blinks twice. Then, reprogram your remote using the setup instructions provided by Spectrum. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. By following these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to get your Spectrum remote back in working order. If none of these solutions work, it might be time to reach out to Spectrum's customer support for further assistance. Remember, staying calm and methodical is key when dealing with technical issues like this. Thanks for tuning in, and happy channel surfing.